How to activate your Uber deactivated account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Uber account has been deactivated and you're looking a way out to reactivate it, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to get back on the track. Whether it has been less than 30 days or over 30 days since your account was deactivated, we have got you covered for both. So let's jump right in. First of all, if your account has been deactivated for less than 30 days, it is actually very simple. Just log back into your Uber account, and once you log in, Uber will automatically reactivate your account and you're ready to go. Easy, right? You can log in using your Google account, Apple ID, or log in using your QR code or your phone number as well. However, if it has been more than 30 days, here's what you need to do. First of all, search for Uber customer support and go to contact support. Once that is done, tap on the rider tab, which is on the top left corner. Tapping on it, you will see different types of topics for help. Tap on the account section and then you will see different options. Tap on I cannot sign in into my account. This will lead you to another form that you need to fill. Make sure to add all the details on the form as well as the screenshot of the error. Also make sure to add any additional information that might help Uber verify your account faster. After you submit this form, Uber's customer service team will review your request and will get back to you within 2 to 3 business days to reactivate your account. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.